Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Google Pixel phone powered button not working, restart and button repairing solution. Fix 1. Restart the phone. So press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. Now wait for the Google logo to appear. Once the phone restarts, test the button again. Fix 2. Remove the phone case and clean the button. So case, dirt or drapes can block the buttons from being pressed properly. Remove the phone case and any accessories. Check if the button feels stuck or difficult to press. Gently clean around the buttons using a soft, dry brush or microfiber cloth. Fix 3. Check power button setting. So open the settings, then click on system, then click on gesture. Tap, press and hold the power button. Now verify that the button is configured correctly and test it again. Fix 4. Boot into safe mode. So press and hold the power menu on the screen. Touch and hold power off until safe mode appear. Now restart in safe mode and test the button. If it works, uninstall recent installed application. The Fix 5 update Android software. So open the settings, then tap on system, then tap on software update. Now install any available update and restart the phone after the update. Now the final fix, contact Google support. If none of the above fixes work, the power button may have a hardware fault. So back up your important data, then check your warranty status, and now contact Google support or visit visit the authorized repair center for inspection and repair. So goodbye and thanks for watching.